Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Toca Boca only way and selecting the kitchen station where you will make macarons. Gather 50 grams almond flour, 75 grams powdered sugar, 2 egg whites at room temperature, and 50 grams granulated sugar. Also collect 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, a pinch of salt, food coloring if desired, and a piping bag inside the game inventory. Place virtual bowls, a sieve, and a baking tray on the counter. Preparing these exact items speeds gameplay and mirrors real macaron technique for accurate results. Whisk the 2 room temperature egg whites until foamy, then add 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar and continue whipping to soft peaks in game. Gradually pour 50 grams granulated sugar, then whip until stiff glossy peaks form. This meringue anchors the shell. Sift together 50 grams almond flour and 75 grams powdered sugar. Fold 1/3 of meringue into the dry mix to lighten. Then perform macaronage folding in 2 to 3 additions until batter flows like lava and forms a thick ribbon when lifted. Transfer batter to a piping bag and pipe 3.5 centimeter rounds on a lined baking tray, spacing them 2 centimeters apart so feet can form. Tap the tray gently in game to release air bubbles, then let shells rest for 20 minutes until a skin forms on top. Bake at 150 degrees C for 12 to 14 minutes in the virtual oven. Rotate tray halfway. Cool completely, pair similar sizes, and fill with 20 grams buttercream or 15 grams ganache. Then age assembled macarons 24 hours in a sealed container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.